Hello students, welcome back in a new session. In this session we will discuss XOR bitwise operator. XOR is the exclusive OR operator, and this is the symbol of XOR bitwise operator. So XOR bitwise operator performs XOR exclusive OR logical operations on bits. Let's take an example. Here we have two decimal values, 10 and 20. These are operands. Here we are using operator that is exclusive OR operator. So after execution these two numbers, we will display, we will get the resultant value, that is 30. Now how the compiler will understand and what is the actual internal process will be performed to display this decimal value, that is 30. So we have certain steps to execute such operations. What are the steps? Here we have step 1, that convert 10 and 20 into bit form or binary form, that is 10 equals to 1010. This is the binary value of 10. This is the binary value of 20. Now this next step. Now step 2. Step 2 is add prefix zeros on given number to make an 8 bits. Like if we got the resultant value of 10, that is 1010 in binary. So to make these 4 digits complete 8 bits, we will add 4 zeros as a prefix before this number. Then same will be do in decimal number of 20. Here we have 5 bits, so we use add 3 bits. Now we make the ORing, XORing. This is the symbol of XOR operator. So in XOR, we just get the resultant value. Now we have next step. In this step, we perform the XOR operations on given bits. So these are numbers. These numbers will be converted into bits, and we find the resultant value. Now we multiply each digits by 2 to get result. Now the final step. In this step, we multiply each digit by 2 on binary number to get results. So here we have first digit will be 0. Here we have 0 into 2 to the power 0, 1 into 2 to the power 1, 2 into 2 to the power 2, 3 into 2 to the power 3, and 4 into 2 to the power 4. When we calculate all these, we will find the value in decimal, that is 30. This is our final answer. It's all about this video. I hope you got some valuable information from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.